Hello, my sweet little chefs, and welcome to Cooking in the Kitchen with Miss Rhonda. Hi, everyone. I'm Miss Rhonda from the York County Public Library System, and I'm so glad you're here today. This is our Thanksgiving episode. We're going to cook up a couple of tasty little before the big turkey dinner treats. We're going to make a savory appetizer and we're going to make a sweet appetizer. And these are some things that you can make before the big meal. You can put them out just in case Tom Turkey doesn't get done like he's supposed to on time. And that'll take some pressure off of the cooks in the kitchen. It'll make you a big hit and a big help. So, before we get started, there are two things that I would like to do. First, today I want to show you a couple of books that we have at the library before we get into making our goodies. Here's a real good one. Recipes of the Pilgrims. This is full of recipes that the Pilgrims may have made on that first Thanksgiving meal. You might want to look for that one. This one is in our nonfiction section, 641 5973 Jones. Another one that reminds me of Thanksgiving is the Little House Cookbook, and it has frontier foods from Laura Ingalls Wilder. This is full of some really great tasty things to make. You can make chickens, you can make pot pies, you can bake cakes. So if you're a little bit more advanced in the kitchen, you'll want to get this one. This is nonfiction, 641.5 Walker. And two new books for fun that we got into the library just recently. Pancakes with Grandma. This reminds me of my Campbell. I love to cook with my Campbell. Do you like to cook with your grandparents? I'll tell you a secret. Your grandparents like to cook with you. This is a Lift the Flap book, so you can go through it and find different secrets inside the pages. And finally, for a little bit of fun, Foodie Faces. Look at that face on that cover. I saw the front of this and it made me laugh. I looked inside and it got even better. So you'll want to get this book. Check it out. This one is in the JE section under Wurtzel, Wurtzel. Pancakes with Grandma, JE section, Smith. All right, my little turkey sweethearts, you ready to let's get these yummies going? What does Miss Rhonda always say though? While I run the ingredients for our first yummy treat, a turkey cheese ball, go wash the two greatest utensils you have in your kitchen. Go wash those hands. All right, sweethearts, here we go. This one should be pretty easy for you to do. We're going to start with a ready-made cheese ball. You can just pick this one up right now because of the holidays. You can find them in most of the grocery stores or some of the big box stores. And I just have this one. It's a sharp cheddar cheese ball. You're going to need two little googly eyes. And if you don't have those eyes, they're not the googly plastic eyes you put on your crafts. These are not really googly. They're just two little buggy eyes candy. They're made out of candy. I got these out of some clearance cupcake decorations from Halloween. So you might get lucky and find them that way. You can also find them in the baking section. If you can't find them though, don't worry, sweet peas. Go ahead and get some black olives, slice up a little pickle and make some. But if you can find these, they make it a lot of fun. All right, and then we're gonna need our candy corn and some pretzel sticks. So, using our craft stick that Miss Rhonda always likes to pull out for safety, we're going to use our impeccably clean hands, pick up that cheese ball, and you're gonna take just a little bit of cheese out of the bottom, and that's our glue. See where I took just a little tiny bit right out of the bottom, and this is our glue. You're going to need one pretzel stick, and I found that it's best if you just snip off the very tip of it. because it could be too long for your cheese ball. Now on the top of your pretzel stick, you're going to put that glue. And you may have to use your fingers to try to form it. Remember what I said? Best utensils you have in the kitchen. So just put that glue on the tip of your cheese ball, and then you're going to stick the neck of your turkey in. Take your candy corn. There's his beak. And then you're going to want your two eyes. One eye, two eye. All right, what would our turkey be without some feathers? So take the rest of your pretzel sticks and just poke them in as you go around. Give him all the feathers you would like. I'm giving him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, he needs more pretzels. Let's give him one on this side. 6, 7. Turkey cheese ball. How easy was that, sweethearts? Look, he looks delicious, doesn't he? Now to serve him, Miss Rhonda suggests you just get some crackers. I have some crackers right here. And you just put them around the plate. You can put them out however you choose. I'm just going to put them all around. There you go. And just for a little added color, I'm going to sprinkle on some of the extra candy corns that I have. So it looks like our turkey is sitting in a field of fall. There you go. Turkey cheese ball. That's our first appetizer. Good job, everyone. You ready to move on? Let's head to appetizer number 2. All right, here we are. And in this bowl, I have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Now what we're making here is our sweet addition to our appetizers. And this is our cherry cheesecake dip. So I have my blender out. And if you don't want to use a blender, that's totally fine. You don't have to worry about it. You can get your big person to do that, or you can just blend it up with your handy dandy spatula, whatever you prefer. But the first thing we're going to do is blend our softened cream cheese with our 10 ounces of non-dairy whipped topping. And we're just going to plop that right in here. Get it all out, because this stuff is yummy. This is one of the things that Miss Rhonda will lick the bowl if there's some left in the bottom of it. All right, I'm just gonna get it down there a little bit, and then I'm gonna start my little hand beater up. So close your ears. Don't want to be too loud. I'm just gonna beat it till it's nice and creamy and incorporated. Looks good to me. I think it's time to turn off our blender and go on to the next ingredients. All right. Now, the next thing we're going to add inside of our bowl is some really good yummy stuff. This is delicious. This is sweetened condensed milk. Now, don't make a mistake like Miss Rhonda has done in the past. You're going to want the sweetened condensed milk. This is sugary. You do not want to get the evaporated milk. Evaporated milk is something you might use in your mac and cheese, or some folks use it in their coffee. But you don't want the evaporated milk. You want a half a cup, which is just one small can, of sweetened condensed milk. All right, we're going to throw that in. The next thing that goes in is we need 1 whole cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, plain. If you choose to use If you don't have the plain and you got vanilla, well, gracious me, that just adds more flavor to the party. So no worries. I don't want the lack of ingredients to stop your desire to cook. Cooking's too much fun. My grandson and I, we made a dirt cake with yogurt and Oreos the other day. Didn't really look like a dirt cake, but it was good. All right, I'm gonna take my blender again and get it going. Stir it up. Guys, this smells good. It smells like a cheesecake. Y'all like cheesecake? Miss Rhonda loves her some cheesecake. I like turtle cheesecake. Turtle cheesecake has chocolate and caramel and nuts. Oh, it's good. All right. I think we've got it all blended well. So, I want to get all the goodness off of these speeders. There we go. Take my spatula, just make sure it's all blended up nice. Oh, it's a beautiful color too, guys. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of snow. Anybody out there like snow? I know I may be a grandma and I know I'm getting up there in years, but there is nothing better than the first snow of the season. Love it. All right, let's find a container and put this in. Miss Rhonda likes to use a pie plate. So I'm gonna put all of my yummy ingredients into my pie plate. Now, I'm gonna cover this with a 21-ounce can of cherry pie filling and make it look as good as it tastes. We're gonna get this all spread out nice and even. There you go. Guys, it's taken everything I got in me not to lick the spatula, and you know what? I didn't make it. Oh, that's good. All right, sweethearts, here comes the cherry pie filling. I like to just plop it right in the middle. And then get it all out. Work my way around. Just gradually work my way around and spread it out till it reaches the size. Now, this needs to really go into the refrigerator so it will chill, because you'd like to have it nice and cold. You'd like that cream cheese to set back up for you so that it's a little bit thicker in consistency, and you'll be able to dip your crackers in it and it'll stick to your crackers. Now, we use the crackers for our cheese ball, but for this one, Miss Rhonda has something else extra special. I put together a bowl of these tiny little vanilla wafers. It's just the perfect bite. So, I am going to show you our two appetizers side by side, and we'll give them a taste. Cheesecake dip, and we've got Mr. Turkey cheese ball. First, I'm going to take a little bite of Mr. Turkey right here. Oh, that's a good store-bought cheese ball. Very yummy. Your family's going to love this. And then, a little bit of our cherry cheesecake dip. Look at that bite. Yum. You ready? Oh my goodness. Sweeties, you need to make this. This is fabuloso. And so is gobble, gobble, gobble. So there you have it. This has been our Thanksgiving episode. I'm so glad you were here. Now, do me a favor. I want all of you to have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. I want you to think about the things that you're thankful for. It's been a rough year, but we have a lot to be thankful for, starting first and foremost with our family. So, I love you. I want you to eat a good hearty meal. I want you to have fun, and I want you to stay safe. And come see me at the library. Bye-bye, everybody.